Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer photos and videos from the iPhone 17 Pro to a USB flash drive. This is also going to work out for the iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well. So you should be able to copy your photos and videos from any of these iPhones to a USB flash drive, either for storage purposes or to transfer them to another device. And the way you do it is quite simple. First things first, if you have a USB-C flash drive, that is a flash drive that actually comes with a USB-C output, which you can connect directly to your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, then you don't have to do anything. You can simply just connect the USB flash drive to the USB port on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. However, if you have the conventional USB flash drive like mine over here, that comes with this USB type A output, then you'd need an adapter like this one over here. Now this is actually an adapter that comes with a USB-C output, and then it has a USB-A input where you can now connect your traditional USB flash drive. Keep in mind that it does not have to be from any brand. Just make sure you get an adapter like this one. Anyone would work, and then you can now proceed to connect the USB-C part of your adapter to your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Now keep in mind that once you connect it, you're not going to get any notification on your iPhone 17 Pro. But to confirm that your iPhone 17 Pro has been able to detect your USB flash drive, you can go over to the Files app. You can come over to this app library and then just search for Files. You can see the app over here, select it, and if you go back to the main menu, you should be able to find your USB flash drive from over here. Mine is called No Name, but in your case it can be literally anything. And if you open it, you should be able to find all of the folders and documents or files on my USB flash drive. And so finally, in order for you to transfer or copy your photos and videos from your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max to your USB flash drive, all you have to do is to go over to the gallery application or photos application, select the photos and videos which you want to transfer or copy. So I'll click on select from the top and then proceed to select the photos and videos. So I want to tap on this photo over here, tap on this video, these and these, and as soon as you're done, you want to select on the share option at the bottom left, just like so. Now scroll all the way down and you're going to see the save to files option. Go ahead and select that, and from over here you just want to go back to the main menu again. So tap on the back button and you can see my USB flash drive over here. Select it, and finally you can go ahead and just tap on save. You can as well choose a specific folder, so you can select to put them in this specific folder, and once you tap on the save button, they will all be transferred into this particular folder. So once you're done, if you go back to the Files application again on your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max or 17, just like so, this is still my USB drive. And if I go over to the folder 1, which is where I sent all of my photos, you can see all of the photos I just transferred or copied to my USB flash drive, and they're literally over here. If you want to open up these photos and videos on a computer or another device, you can as well just go ahead and connect it, and you should be able to open up these photos and videos from over there as well. If you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.